If you have developed aches and pains since working from home, it's most likely to do with the situation that you now find yourself in. Perhaps you're doing less movement or walking throughout the day. Perhaps your diet has changed slightly. Or perhaps it's because your favourite exercise class is no longer running. To help ease aches and pains that are caused by working from home, I would first and foremost suggest that you get some movement. Because of the aches and pains, this might be slightly difficult at first, but once you get started, it should bring some benefits. So you can try many different options, and whatever you choose should suit your own abilities and your own likes and dislikes. So some possible options might be cycling, Pilates, an online aerobics workout, or even simply a little bit more walking. Other than this, it might help to get a little bit more magnesium in your diet, as this is really good for aches and pains in general. I would also suggest that things like taking a warm bath can be quite soothing on aches and pains, and is also really relaxing after a hard day of work.